Hey there, Nick with SSIC. Guys, I want you to focus on the fundamentals. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequences of consistently applying the basic fundamentals by Jim Rohn. Guys, in REI groups, I hear investors asking all the time about the fancy stuff. Questions like, I'm preparing to buy my first rental property. Should I use an LLC or an S Corp or a trust? There's also a lot of talk about timing the market or trying to find that perfect financing that gives you that extra 1 or 2% of LTV. Forget all that, okay? Or rather, put it aside for right now. When you're first starting out, you really don't need to worry about advanced strategies like asset protection. It's a distraction from what's most important. Focus on the fundamentals, finding great deals, calculating cash flow accurately, screening tenants effectively, attracting good applicants, funding strategies with little money out of pocket. You don't need an LLC for your first property. And timing the market, the best economists in the country are often wrong when they try to predict the market. If they can't do it, you can't either. What you can do is accurately forecast your cash flow. So even if you buy a property and the value then drops, you're still going to earn profits from it as a rental. That's the beauty of rentals. They keep on making money, so you can wait until whenever you're ready to sell. That's just one piece of the puzzle that I can help you fix right away. This is basic stuff, guys, that you need to know, and I've broken it down really simply for you, and I'm going to teach it to you at my free workshops in October. You can choose your date in the venue below. A couple dates to choose from, no strings, just learn how to invest the right way. Starting with the basics, we hope to see you there.